Iron Condor, what is it? Let's go over it together. Please note, if you're using Robinhood, you're going to need level 3 options trading enabled. So let's jump right in. So before we get started on Robinhood to create an Iron Condor, I am currently on my TradingView app to check out the charts and to see if there's any earnings coming up, in which there is one of August 19th. So using this information, I am then more prepared to do my Iron Condor on Robinhood. So jumping into Robinhood, I'm going to choose my underlying stock as BLNK. I'm going to go to trade options, and knowing that there's an earnings call coming up that might create volatility, I'm going to choose the strike date of August 6th. If you don't know what a call credit spread is, please watch my other video that I have made prior to proceeding to get an edge. So the first thing I want to do is hit buy and call and select the $35.5 call out of the money. Then I'm going to hit sell and call and select the $34.5 call out of the money. An Iron Condor is an options trading strategy designed to profit from low volatility in the underlying asset, in which it combines selling a credit call spread and selling a put credit spread. So knowing this, for the second part, I'm going to hit buy put. I'm going to select one that is in the money for a $33 put, and then I'm going to select sell put for a $34 put in the money. And there you have it. At the top, it says Iron Condor, and knowing that you set up this Iron Condor correctly. So moving along, for my ticker BLNK for the strike date of 8/6, I want one contract for 100 shares at a limit price of 90 cents. My max profit would be $90 and max loss would be 10. If I did 5, you would see a max profit of $450 with a max loss of $50. This is why these contracts are so powerful. If I did 10, $900 profit with a max loss of $100. Doesn't seem too shabby, does it? However, I just want one contract of 100 shares for my underlying stock of BLNK for August 6th, and I want a limit price of $1, let's say. If I changed it, my minimum credit of my max profit would then be $100. My max loss would actually be $0, which, hey, I'll take it. You might see something like this pop up too. It'll say credit or debit. Are you expecting to receive credit or pay a debit for this option? You'll get a credit if the options that you are selling are worth more than the ones you are buying. And you'll pay a debit if the options that you are buying are worth the ones that you are selling. So this is going to be up to you when you're doing your Iron Condor. It's preference. It depends on your math of what you have for your options. So looking at this next page, the only thing that sticks out is collateral. You're probably asking yourself, what is collateral? Collateral is the distance between the strike prices times 100. Robinhood will hold on to this money in case you get assigned. Congrats on doing your first Iron Condor.